Hey kiddos, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We are changing our focus this week from prefixes, which are letters that are added on to the beginning of a base word, and we're moving to suffixes, which are letters that are added on to the end of a base word this week. So we're going to be looking at endings this week. Again, your sort is going to be simple, just based on what the ending is. However, we want to talk and also understand the meaning of these words along with what happens when these endings are added. How does it change the word? So we're going to go through and we're going to read our list today, and then we're going to talk about the endings themselves, the suffixes, and also how it changes the word. So we have the words sunny, quickly, snowy, dimly, stormy, daily, windy, roughly. Then we have slowly, rainy, easily, misty, loudly, chilly, noisily, lazily. Then we have happily, clearly, foggy, quietly, angrily, cloudy, breezy, smoothly. So we'll go ahead and give some colors to our headers here. We have words that just end in Y, we have words that end in LY, and we have words that end in ILY. So just looking at our top headers, it's easy to see that we have just a Y added on to this word. Now our base word here is sun. So the sun is a noun, it's a thing. So adding a Y onto it changes it from a noun to an adjective. An adjective is a describing word. And I'm going to go ahead up here and I'm going to write in describe. Let me go ahead and fix that for us just a little bit. Let's see here. So an adjective, going from a noun to an adjective. So we're not just talking about the sun, we're describing what it's like outside. It's sunny. Then we have the ly, like in the word slowly. Now the base word here is slow. Now slow is a describing word. It actually is an adjective. The ly added on to the end describes how something is done, or in the manner in which it's done. So this tells us how something is done. It's done slowly, but the describing word, the adjective, is slow. Then we have ILY. Now the base word here, you can't really see it all the way, is happy. Happy is also an adjective. It's a describing word. ILY describes how something is done. If the person is happy, that's an adjective, a describing word. How they would do something, if they're doing it in a happy way, you would describe it as happily. Like, I happily helped my mom set the table. We're describing how something is done. So sorting the actual sorts won't be difficult this week. It'll be thinking about what does it mean when that suffix gets added on to the end of a word. And I'm going to write that word suffix over here. Those are endings. All right, kiddos, take your time. Again, the sort will go quick, but raise your hand and ask your teacher any questions that you might have if you come to a word you're not sure of. All right, happy sorting.